Hi, good morning everybody. I am Namrita and I'm live from the FNF. Hope you guys are doing fantastic and fab and fit. And yes, today I am here to tell you about what is the importance of core strengthening and how yoga plays a very important role in our lives. The core. What is the core? Core क्या होता है हमारी body का? It's this portion of your body, it's your abs and your back that forms the core of your entire body. It holds the weight of your body. It is, like the foundation of all the activities that we do, whether it's the upper body or the lower body. A lot of us in the process of losing weight or in the process of, building muscle, और in the process of improving your flexibility, हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमें core पे concentrate करना है. It's very important to concentrate on the core. A lot of us would have experienced that when we stand for a longer time or we bend down a lot and we work, and at the end of the day there is only one part of the body that is paining much more than the other parts of the body, and that's your back. Legs में pain होता है, हाथ में pain होता है, but also your back is the one which is the most affected. Why? Because eventually the whole weight of the body comes on the back. A lot of times when you put on a lot of weight, people say हमारे back में pain है. कोई ये नहीं बोलता है हमारी stomach में pain है. हर कोई बोलता है हमारी back में pain है. It's because this is the core of our entire body. It takes the weight of the entire body. Hence, it is very, very important to concentrate and also to strengthen the core. Now, I'll tell you there's a very, very close interconnection when it comes to something, like strengthening your core and yoga. That is why I have picked up these two topics. Yoga में जब हम बैठते हैं, when we were kids, we were told in a yoga session that you're supposed to cross your legs and sit straight with your back erect. And how many of us were able to do it? Yes, most of us. Because at that point, we were kids and we were moving all the time. We were playing, we were active. There was not a lot of muscle load, etc., etc. But today, after my session, try and sit down without any support for 30 seconds. Try and sit down with your back straight for 30 seconds and you will feel the entire pressure coming on your back. And that is because a lot of times, we do not concentrate on these little things while we are reinventing ourselves or we are getting into a new line of fitness. आप एक चीज कर सकते हैं आज. I'm giving you a challenge, and on the FNF page, if you can post a video of a 30-second you sitting erect, straight, without any oohs and ahs, it will be fantastic. And in case you cannot do it without support, sit against the wall with your back erect, shoulders down, and see. And that is the time you will actually come to know what is the status of your core strengthening. Now, if somebody is asking me, हम अपने core को strengthen कैसे करें? Core strengthening के लिए बहुत सारी exercises होती हैं which are basically focused on your abs and your back. A lot of you who practice yoga must be knowing these exercises, but people who do not practice yoga, we have a lot of exercises, and there is a special form of workout called as Pilates, which is basically core strengthening. How many times in a week, as Hina Singh is asking me, that you have to concentrate on your core? I would say ideally at least 3 to 4 times a week, not every day, because if you start practicing immediately, जैसे पहले वीक में अगर आपने रोज करना शुरू कर दे तो obviously you will feel a little pressure and your day-to-day activities might get affected. But under supervision, you should practice and strengthen your core at least 3 to 4 times a week. A lot of people who are working from home, sitting a lot, make sure that you get up, you kind of stretch your back, don't hyperextend it. Make sure that this movement is being flexible, क्योंकि बैठ के भी all the pressure comes on your back, because all the time for 8 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours, you guys have been sitting in front of your laptop or your phones and working. Women who have been doing work from home and also been doing housework, including झाड़ू पोछा etc. Now I would like to highlight this point कि बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि झाड़ू पोछे से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, but yes, ideally if you bend down and you do a basic घर की exercise होती है झाड़ू और पोछा, and you know if you're bending down and doing झाड़ू, a lot of times when it's over you stand up, अरे हमारे बैक में दर्द हो रहा है. That is a clear indication of your core not being very strong. But don't stop there. Keep doing it daily, and then eventually you will realize that your core is getting tougher, stronger. Also understand that उस बेचारे बैक और एब्स पे आपका पूरे बॉडी का वेट आता है. Also it is an intersection point. आपकी legs और आपकी upper body का पूरा intersection point आपके spinal cord पे है, तो it is very 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 important. We have a lot of experts on our app, the FNF, who are going to guide you. And if you want to train with any one of us for your core strengthening, do log in and do download the app, and we are happy to help you. Also, if you have any questions, please keep posting. I'm here to answer them. Now moving on to the importance of yoga. Yes, during the pandemic, a lot of emphasis has been given on yoga, on breathing, on pranayams. कि pranayam karoge. Even in hospitals as well as at home, a lot of people have been saying that to fight COVID, your lungs need to be strong. And that happens with a lot of breathing. Now, when you breathe, a basic inhale and an exhale from your nose. अगर आप मेरे साथ साथ अभी ट्राई करेंगे, आप inhale कीजिए. All your inhaling of the air is coming from the core. Yes, it is, and that is how important it is. So basic breathing exercises like Anulom Vilom and basic pranayams under supervision. Guys, I'm again and again mentioning, please do it under supervision, because a lot of times I have known people who have been doing basic breathing exercises and have got a catch on their back or a cramp in their stomach. It is because the way they are inhaling and exhaling, the technique of inhaling and exhaling is also not correct. These pranayams or these yoga exercises or the emphasis on your core is important under supervision, because we trainers or the yoga experts are trained to tell you a proper way of inhaling and exhaling, chahe basic cheez ho or doing a basic stretch. Hence, don't try doing things on your own. Do it under supervision. And yes, like I was talking about the importance of yoga, it has been playing a major role during COVID, and it is very very important to start practicing at least with your breathing exercises, your basic breathing exercises. मैं आज आपको एक चैलेंज देती हूँ कि from tomorrow onwards, sit erect. If you cannot without support, try to sit against the wall and just inhale and exhale very calmly. Do it 5 times. If you're comfortable, do it 10 times. Hold your back for 30 seconds and then write to me over here on the FNF app, on the FNF page, how did you feel about it? And trust me, if you guys are having a problem in sitting upright, just basic sitting upright, then we need to start working on your core strengthening. Today, everything is based on our health, and I have also said this in my previous session, and I've been emphasizing this through all my clients and all the people that I talk to about health and fitness, that health is the only thing which is helping us fight COVID. So please, it's a sincere request that all of you who are watching me today or will watch this video later, start concentrating on your health. The year is coming to an end, and yes, the FNF has planned a very good ending to this year. On the 27th of December, we are doing a virtual run for all of you, and I love the way it has been advertised. Run for a good cause yourself. Yes, what is a better cause than yourself? So please enroll for the virtual run, and I would like to thank my race hydration partner Leap and the organic lifestyle partner Almitra Sustainables for supporting us. And guys, these guys have believed in us because we know it is for a good cause, and that is yourself. So on the 27th of December, sign up for the virtual run. Let's end the year on a note that next year, 2021, we are going to pay attention on ourselves. Yes, 2020 has been a very shaky year, but it can also be a knock on the door and a wake-up call for a lot of people who have not given importance to health. And all you people who have not subscribed to the FNF page, please subscribe on Facebook as well as download the app. The link to register for the race is there in the comments. My team has been sharing it with you. If you have any queries regarding core strengthening or how to start about, I am right here, and so are the other trainers from the team who can help you. On the ending note, I would just like to tell you one thing. अगर आपके नींव हिल जाती है या आपकी फाउंडेशन हिल जाती है, everything falls down. That's the basic rule of anything in life. And our back and our abs, this portion is the core of our entire body. It is very important that we keep it strong, we keep it active, we make sure that we are working out very well. Try and contribute at least 20 to 30 minutes every day from your 24-hour life that हम बोल रहे हैं हम 24 घंटे में अपनी जिंदगी जीने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं with the current scenario, with so much of workload, with everything. But guys, remove 30 minutes. Go for a walk. Basic walking से भी आप realize करेंगे कि आप जब घर आके बैठेंगे और when you sit, पूरा emphasis आपके back पे आता है. That is a wake up call. Please, इसका मतलब है कि आपको अपनी basics पे काम करना है. And I'm waiting for your videos. Do try sitting up for 30 seconds today and tell me in the comments or write on our FNF page or message us about whether you were able to do it, and if not, then we are here to help you. Thank you everybody who logged in today to watch me, and we are going to be coming up with a lot of live sessions every Sunday at 11 o'clock. All our team of experts are going to be coming with their insights and help you become healthier, stronger, fitter and fabulous. On that note, have a lovely week ahead, and the last year of the month is just one day away. So guys, let's end 2020 with a bash. Do the virtual run with us on the 27th of December, and do remember the tagline. We are doing a run for a good cause, and that is yourself. Cheers, stay fit, stay healthy and take care of yourself.